Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to show you how I did my St. Patrick's Day nails. So for this design, I needed some fresh nails on, but it wasn't time to do a full set. So I only took off the two that I was going to do the clear design on, which happens to be the middle two. So I have on these Aurora nails. That was my last video, I believe, to go up. If not, it was the one before. So I will leave a link to that video down below if you want to check it out. Those ones were very trendy and still are. But I knew this video was going to be a fairly quick tutorial, so I went ahead and included some clips of how I take off my nails and create a fresh nail. So I'm clipping off the two middle nails here, and then I move on to filing off all of my old color on all of my nails. So when I do a fresh nail, I do clip it down as short as I can go, and then I'll drill off the rest. Just because if you're gonna do a fresh set and you're gonna clip it down anyways, clip it off in the beginning so that you're not doing all that extra filing. And once I have done all of my filing with my e-file, I do move over to hand file to detail the filing and really reshape everything and make sure it's nice and smooth from the cuticle all the way down. Here I am cleansing my nails. I do use 99% isopropyl alcohol. I hope I said that right. Nail techs, you know what I'm talking about. And I bring out my forms. Of course, I use my Young Nails forms, so I only need two because I'm only sculpting out two. And then I brought out my Young Nails build gel. This is what I use to build my nails. Here I have these 4-leaf clover glitters. I did a video fully going over all of these glitters. I will leave a link to that video down below as well. And then I also pulled my foil box as well. So here you'll see me applying my form, and I do one nail at a time. So I get that form applied, and then I do a thin layer of that build gel on the form just for the free edge portion. And while this is still wet, before I cure it, I go in, I take these olive green clovers and I drop them into the wet gel. After I get all of the clovers down, I go ahead and quickly add some of this gold foil in there as well. So I have little bits of gold foil mixed in with the olive green clovers. And then I go ahead and give this a flash cure. Once that is flash cured in place, I go ahead and take some more build gel and create another thin layer on top to encapsulate the glitter and the foil. Next, I'm going to take my Young Nails Concealer Pink Gel, and I want the base of my nail to be this pink color, and then the tips are the clear part. So I go in and I place this, and this gel you can see is much thicker in consistency than the build gel, so it does take me a while to get it placed and shaped how I want it. Then I go ahead and give that a flash cure as well. And here I'm going in with my build gel and I'm just encapsulating and building up the nail, and this is like the final step of building this nail. So I get that all flash cured and I move on to the second nail. I have the second portion sped up quite a bit because it is the same process and it's a little lengthy, but I did want to go ahead and include it just that way you can see the repetitiveness of it. And I do want to let you know that this design was inspired from Vanessa's Nails. She did this clear tip for Valentine's Day that had, I think, some hearts or maybe some flowers. I'll insert a picture here of what hers looked like, and I thought this idea was so cute. I absolutely loved it. You could do this type of design for all the holidays, all of the different seasons. Like, you could really do anything with this type of design. So I know last week's video was inspired by her as well. I promise I am not copying all of her videos. She just had some really good ideas that I had to do. So once I complete that process on the second nail, I go ahead and give both a full cure in my lamp. So here's what the nails look like after I take the forms off. It's looking pretty cool already. I go ahead and cleanse the nails and then I go in with my filing. Same with when I'm taking the nails down. I start with my e-file, do the bigger portion of the filing, and then I go back in with my hand file and do the detailing of the filing. Once I have the nails filed as I like, I go ahead and give them a quick buff over just to smooth everything out. And since I was doing a lot of filing, I went ahead and cleansed all of my nails, and I got this really cool close-up of me cleansing the clear nails. It looks kind of cool, like just as is with matte, no top coat on top. But let's move on with the rest of the design, which is only one color, but I used Curious Skies Call It Cliche. This is a light olive green shade. And with a lot of the Curious Sky shades, this did require 3 coats. So I go ahead and do 3 coats of this olive green on my pointer, my pinky, and my thumb. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat today. I did include some footage that is not sped up of me putting the top coat over the clear nails, just so you can see that transition from the file nail to the nail with the top coat on top. It just transforms everything. So here is how my St. Patrick's Day nails came out, and I absolutely love them. I did keep this design fairly simple, but I think you need the simplicity of the solid nails when you go in with the clear tip with glitter, because those are the nails that are going to stand out. And I just loved how they turned out. I have just been staring at my nails. I just think it's so cool how it's just like a clear tip and you have those pieces of glitter just floating in there. I think it looks so cool. And I am learning that I'm really liking olive green on myself. I have not used this color in a very long time on anybody, and I remember now that I really like this color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like my holiday themed nails, and make sure you're subscribed for some more holiday nails coming up, because Easter is just around the corner. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.